auditioning to be a member on Glee.
Oh, yeah?
She joined a contest.
Yeah, there was a huge thing going on. Like, a bunch of my friends were like, oh my god, put me on Glee! And I'm like, no.
Yeah, she was in
suck.
Chicago. What is this? What is this for?
For YouTube.
Is it for the
Yeah,
thing?
I guess. Okay, so I want to try to talk to you guys, but I got hiccups, so it might be a little funky. Hi. Ugh. I am extremely tired. I had my last 2 finals today. Finally done with school. Yes. Yeah, so now, I got summer break. Excited to hang out with all my buddies coming back from college to hang in San Diego. Oh, Odie, no barking. That's my dog, extremely loud. Yeah, one thing I'm planning on working on over summer is D&D. I got my own campaign I'm writing based off of a series of songs by Rush, which is one of my favorite bands ever. I love them to death. Geddy Lee is my hero. Yeah, so it'll be pretty interesting. I'm really excited to get people to actually play it, but so far nobody's really been as excited as I am about it. So, yep, but cursed hiccups. Why hasn't anyone come up with a cure for hiccups yet? It's really annoying. I hate trying all those housewives methods like eat a spoonful of sugar or drink water from the opposite side of the cup, because those are really just your friends trying to play a prank on you and make you look like an idiot. Yeah, so far my method is hold your breath until you can't hold it anymore, and then, take a drink of water and then hold your breath until you can't hold it anymore, and then swallow the water. Yeah. It's not working though. Hiccups. Send me, you know what, you guys should comment on your methods of getting rid of hiccups. I want to know what you do to get rid of hiccups and if you think it works or not. I want to know. Alright.